In this video, I'll show you how to use picture-in-picture in YouTube. Now, picture-in-picture is basically a feature that allows you to watch videos while using other apps on your phone, just like that. Now, for this feature to be enabled or to be active, you have to enable certain functionalities on your phone to be able to enjoy it. Now, all you need to do is simply go into the settings of your phone. So for me, let me find the settings app, tap on settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll down and find apps. Tap on that. And depending on which phone you're using, these settings that you want to enable are going to be under the same category. Like for example, in Pixel, you should see the apps option and you should see special app access, and both those features should be available here. Now the first thing you want to do is go into app management and then find the YouTube app. So find YouTube, and then you want to find the PiP option. So tap on PiP and then ensure that picture-in-picture is enabled, just like that. Now once you do that, you should also be able to see display over other apps. So tap on that and ensure this option is enabled as well. Now if you don't see this option here, you can also go back one page and find the special app access option, and here you should see display over other apps. So go and find YouTube and ensure that you enable that from there. Now once you do that, simply go back into the YouTube app. So find the YouTube app, and then under YouTube you want to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on settings. Now under settings you should scroll down and find playback, which you want to tap on, and you should see picture-in-picture, which if it is disabled like that, you want to enable to start using it. And now if you go back to playing a video and then go back to your home screen, it should continue playing in picture-in-picture mode. Now in picture-in-picture mode, you can pause the video. You can also go to the next video if you maybe you're using a queue. You can also tap on that option to be able to select where you want to continue listening to that video from. And you can also tap on that option and see settings just at the top here. This will allow you to go into the picture-in-picture settings, just like that. And you can also tap on the X icon to close that particular video in picture-in-picture. But that's basically how to use picture-in-picture mode in YouTube. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.